Sipaya Infra Private Limited is a manufacturer of Sipaya Nest, temporary shelter and portable cabin, event hall. The company is incorporated in April 2023. It has headquarters in District Center, Janakpuri, New Delhi. Our portable cabin is temporary shelter. Enclosures can prove exceptionally fruitful in a vast range of applications for business that wish to establish make shift office facilities or for develop a event hall. It is not feasible to follow traditional concrete or bricks or mortar construction. For these involve greater cost and slow moreover for these involve there is not any good scope to reuse and recycling with traditional building development methods. It's a Make in India initiative where we focused better material as well as energy efficient performance, high strength and durability with better longevity, cost effectiveness, better speed and simple installation, lightweight for easy relocation, safety assurance against fire, termites, earthquake and corrosions, quick to manufacture and easy to install at all stages. Whether it's temporary office space, additional classrooms capacity or comfortable living quarter and remote location, Sipaya portable cabins offer a versatile and efficient solution, combining durability, functionality and aesthetic appeal. These temporary accommodation have gained population and more popularity across various industries. In this article, Sipaya Infra explore the features, benefits and application of Sipaya portable cabins. Our portable cabins are revolutionizing the concept of portable accommodation in the modern world. Our board scope of pre-assembled incorporates a wide exhibit a portable accommodation nest in from the houses of Sipaya Infra. At the forefront of providing modular cabins, Sipaya Nest being one of them, is a steel-based portable cabin solution. The core structure of Sipaya Nest solution.
Countries turn to these clean and sustainable energy sources.
Solar
energy. Video description. Are you tired of the rising electricity bills and the environmental impact of traditional energy sources? It's time to turn to renewable energy.
Apart from being sturdy and robust, our portable accommodation units give flexibility to custom design the interior to suit the requirements.